Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to another John Chow unboxing. Today, I'm going to be unboxing the new Sony A7III. This is Sony's newest full-frame mirrorless camera. I just got this a couple of days ago. Actually, I came back to this one from the trip to the hot spring. I came back and this was waiting for me, so cool. I figure I was so tempted to open it, but I figured, no, I need to film this and unbox it. So I finally got to do this, so let's unbox it. And so it's a decent, it looks nice from the outside, kind of all black picture, bunch of specs on this panel here. Yeah, oh my God, really, really fine. I guess terms and conditions. Anyway, let's open. It's available in two versions, the body only, and body and a kit version, which comes with a kit lens. I ordered the one with the kit lens because the body only was sold out, and it was always sold out. And then suddenly, I actually had the body only version on order, but it just kept back order, and then suddenly the kit version became available, so I canceled the body and got this one immediately and from another vendor. So, all right, let's open it up. Okay, so. First one we get, manuals, worthless manual. They should really just give them a PDF and just tell people, save paper. I mean, no one's gonna read this. What I do is when I get a manual, I'll go to Sony's website and I will download the PDF version. So, but maybe, I'm sure companies will learn in the future. All right, otherwise there's nothing else, so panel here. Oh, there you go. Now let's see what's inside here. So it looks very, very tidy, very tidy. All right. So this one's right here. Oh, here it is. Oh, here we go. All right. There it is. Check it out. Yeah. It looks very similar to my old A7R II. The difference is it looks pretty much the same. The grip's bigger and the button has been relocated. Yeah, the grip feels more substantial. There's a spot here for the thumb button. For the thumb, so you rest easily. That's quite nice. Okay, so that's the body. Let's see what else is in here. Let me put this away here. All right, the other package, the other side of the box. Now here's the kit lens here. Been protective bubble wrap. All right. So this is the 2870. Yes, it's 2870 f3.5 to 5.6 kit lens. This lens by itself sells for $400, but if you buy it with the camera, you get the whole kit for $2,200. So this is $2,000. You get this for $200. So half price or you could buy separately for $400. I'm not sure how often I use the kit. Generally, the lens that comes with the kit is not that great, but it's good to get you started with. Good to get you started. And the kit comes with a little lens hood. Okay, cool. Lens hood, prevent those flares from the sun. So. Oh yeah, okay, good. All right, so let's see what else is there. On the other side here, we have a strap, which I never use. I like my big design strap. And then on here we have a USB plug, USB cable, and the battery, No charger. Okay, you think for $20 they give you a charger, but apparently they charge via USB. So what you do is you put the battery in there, and then if you want to charge it, you plug the plug it into USB port, and it will charge it while it's inside. Okay, because I think the A7R III comes with a charger, but I guess because this is only $2,200, they don't give you a charger. But the battery is like definitely is bigger than the old A7R II battery, and it's supposed to last a lot longer. Like I'm hearing people getting over 700 plus shots before they have to charge the battery. So that goes in there, and we'll put this away for now and put the lens on. Put the lens on here. All right. I hope the battery is partly charged so I can take some quick pics and test it out. Wow, it feels tight. It's weather seal. All right, so there we go. Check it out. Looks pretty good. Feels good. Really not that heavy. I can actually use this for vlogging. I mean, it's a little big, but I can still use it, and it doesn't have a flip-up screen, so it's kind of limited. But 4K, super high ISO, and my main problem with this Canon so far is that its ISO only goes up to a maximum 6400 when you're doing video, and when I'm filming in low light scene, dark scene, with the kit lens, it's not good. I need to use a 50mm f1.8, but then I don't have any zoom and stuff like that. So this huge improvement. These cameras can practically shoot in the dark. So I also picked up this lens here. This is the Sony 85mm f1.8. It's a super fast lens. Will allow me to create those big, nice blurry background that you see. That's what the f1.8 for. This the kit lens is only f3.5, so it won't create the nice blurry background, and also it won't work as well in the dark. I can film in the dark with this thing with an f1.8 aperture. So I got this right now, and I also ordered a 1635 f2.8 super wide angle, so that'll be for like a vlogging lens, and because it's f2.8, I can also film in the dark as well, and also achieve that blurry background even on wide angle. So I'm waiting for that to come, and when that gets here, I will have 3 lenses and this nice new vlogging kit. Yeah, so exciting, fun. Looking forward to testing this out at Cars and Coffee this Saturday. Yeah, so look for videos with this camera at Cars and Coffee on Saturday, and also I'm gonna take some pictures of cars and test that out as well. So, all right. So I'm gonna go and set up this camera now. Got the dates and everything. I just saw the custom features and buttons to my liking. And while I do that, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. Look for the full test soon and see videos and photo samples. All right. John Chow, johnchow.com. Thank you very much. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up, like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.